Welcome to BridgeIt, a bridge application built for bridge players. Bridge is a complex card game with a very steep learning curve. Being a bridge player myself, I have experienced difficulties in both learning and teaching the game, and hopefully BridgeIt is here to help. So let's go ahead and do an example hand. We can skip animations, as well as key in the auction, which is the first part of any bridge game. So here we see that we have arrived at a final contract of 1 no trumps by East, which means that East has to take 7 tricks with no trump suit. Let's start off with South. We can play a card, and each player contributes a card to complete the trick. The winning player will contribute the next trick, and so on. We can also play cards by using keyboard shortcuts. So for example, we can input D4, HA, etc. In the actual bridge game, some of these cards will be hidden, and therefore we can imitate that by toggling visibility mode. Now we can only play from the hand that is visible. In order to call cards from the enclosed hands, what we can do is to turn on the AI mode, where BridgeIt will calculate the best possible moves using an alpha-beta pruning algorithm in the background for the next 3 tricks. The hand ends when all 13 cards are played. We can also go into a mode called Edit mode. This mode allows you to key in your own custom hands and solve them. So let's pull up an example. So in this position that we are playing as South, and we want to get as many tricks as possible with no trumps. After solving the hand, BridgeIt will tell you the best possible score as well as the card you need to play to arrive at that score. So in this position, we see that by playing the club 4, we are able to get 5 out of the remaining 6 tricks, no matter how hard East-West tries to foil our plans. BridgeIt also supports multiplayer. So first we need to set up a server. That is all set up. And now we'll need to open another BridgeIt client. Let's go ahead into the new client and connect to our server. Once it is connected, a random hand will be dealt to the client. Let's also connect to the server on this client. And there we go. Now, suppose we were to enter an auction on one of these clients. The same thing will appear on the other. We can also play cards, and the information will also be transferred from one client to another. And so on. We can request an AI to play a card by pressing Shift-T. We can only request one AI card at a time. But other than that, same functionalities apply in multiplayer mode.